Welcome friends to an armchair adventure special. This time around we are looking at 5 of the most romantic beaches in South Coast New South Wales. Coast region is of course blessed with some of the most awesome coastline in Australia, and pretty much all of it is worth checking out. But what if you'd like to spend a bit of quality time with your significant other in an environment that will enhance the mood? Well, look no further. Here are my 5 picks for the most romantic beaches in South Coast New South Wales. So let's get straight into it with my first pick, which is the very lovely Depo Beach. Depo is located towards the southern boundaries of the Shoalhaven region in the glorious Murrumarang National Park. This sublime white-turned beach is enclosed by a majestic spotted gum forest that rises behind the beach up Durras Mountain. It's the perfect place to spend some time with a loved one because it's nearly always quiet with easy access to the beach. It's ideal for a romantic picnic on the grassy foredunes. The scenery is breathtaking, the ocean is pristine, and the ambience is always very chilled out. Some of the coastline around Jervis Bay is being hugged to death. Hyams Beach, I'm looking right at you. And sharing a small beach with 6,000 couples, backpackers and the occasional forlorn local is just not conducive to romance. So my second choice takes us away from the crowds and over to the northern side of Jervis Bay National Park and the glorious, lovely Pebble Bay. For a romantic day at Hare Bay, park at the Red Point picnic area, which you reach by car via the Bangali Sand Forest bush track off the Currarong Road. It's rarely very busy here, apart from the occasional yacht moored off the beach, but if you want proper solitude, just head north up the beach and you'll undoubtedly have the whole place to yourself. The swimming here is awesome, and there's rarely any sort of a swell, making it ideal for paddleboarding or snorkeling with your loved one. You can also enjoy a romantic walk down the beach around ancient Red Point headland, or enjoy some food and wine in the shady picnic area near the car park. We head south down the coast for my third pick of romantic beaches, and I've chosen this one if you would like to spend a bit of 5-star luxury time with your significant other. It's Narrawee Beach. Narrawee and that hotel. But what if you have more simple tastes and prefer the traditional Aussie beach experience for your romantic getaway? Well, that's easy. You need to head down to Pebble Beach. Located within the underappreciated Murray-Morang National Park, Pebble Beach is a perfect place for a romantic day trip or a weekend away. Famous for its friendly beach-going kangaroo population, Pebble is a dramatic and incredibly scenic beach that feels much more remote than it actually is. This might be because there is absolutely no mobile phone reception down at the beach, so if you rent one of the national park's cabins, you can guarantee there will be no Facebook, Instagram or Snapchat to distract you from your partner's company. Instead, you can make the most of this amazing location, get back to nature, enjoy the scenery and recharge your batteries. Pebble Beach, and those kangaroos are awesome. And so you may be wondering what my fifth choice for super romantic beaches in South Coast New South Wales is, and it is of course this one, Murray's Beach. Murray's Beach is located at the very eastern edge of the Boundary National Park. It's a perfect crescent of white sand bordered by pristine bush that's teeming with wildlife. The beach is well protected from the swell and is a favourite location for snorkeling and scuba diving. Take a walk to the far end of the beach with your partner and you'll discover some awesome secluded sea caves nestling under the rising coastline. But far and away the best way to spend your time here is to spread out a beach towel under the shady trees, pop the lid on something cool and refreshing, and simply relax and enjoy one of the finest beaches on the planet. And there we have it, 5 amazing romantic beaches here in the South Coast, perfect for a bit of quality time with your other half. Please check out my other uploads on this channel, and if you've enjoyed this video and the others, please subscribe too. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!